Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting a clear, high-resolution photo and opening it in your chosen editor. This matters because pixelation ruins sharp text. Next, create a new text layer and type your copy, then choose a font that matches tone and readability. Once done, set initial size and alignment so words sit where viewers look first. Make sure to pick color with good contrast. If unsure, test white and black quickly to see which reads better on the image. Now refine the text so it reads instantly. Add a small drop shadow or 1/3px stroke to separate letters from busy backgrounds. These choices boost contrast without overpowering the photo. If needed, place a semi-opaque overlay or gradient behind text and lower opacity to around 20–40% to preserve the image while improving legibility. Then tweak tracking and line height so multi-line copy doesn't crowd. Finally, preview at actual output size to confirm readability on target screen sizes. When you finish, save a layered source file for edits, then export final assets. PNG if you need transparency, JPG for smaller web delivery, and always use sRGB for consistent colors. Compress carefully so text edges stay crisp. If compression causes artifacts, try 90% quality or export at 2x resolution and scale down. If text looks blurry, undo any excessive raster effects, increase canvas DPI, or keep text as vector when possible. One quick tip: test on the actual device to catch spacing or contrast issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.